Okay, today the date is 22nd of April. Okay, 22nd of April. And let's look at the market. Okay, the market, not much changes. Okay, but let's look at it first. Okay, let's look at S&P index. Okay. Okay, so this is S&P index. Let's look at to the 20 MA, 40 MA. Okay. Okay, so let's look at it right now. Last week we see the market is over bought, yes or no? Okay, last week we see the market is overbought when it was here. Okay, so right now market has went to oversold. Can y'all see that? Yes or no? Okay, as went to oversold, even though the price is almost the same. Okay, slight different, but almost the same. But the market has went from overbought to oversold right now. If you can see that, type yes. Okay. Okay, so can you see market actually goes from overbought to oversold and in this cycle. Okay, in this cycle. Okay, so if you are here, not so good idea to buy. Okay, but right now we have come up with a setup. Okay, the only thing is we look at here is this oversold. It put out to 20 MA. This oversold put down to 20 MA. This oversold, okay, did not pull down to 20 MA. Why? Because this part from here to here, the uptrend is pretty strong. Okay, so what can we use? We can use the 10 MA. Okay, we can use the 10 MA. Yes or no? Okay, I assume you all understand. You can use the 10 MA, and you can see from here right now, the price has pulled back into the 10 MA for a swing trade setup. Yes or no? Okay, and right now there is a particular setup. Okay, of course, don't jump the gun. Okay, it's not good, wise to jump the gun. Ideally, you still want for price to drop down to 20 MA, but right now, market is oversold already, and it is right now on, there is a possible swing trade using the 10 MA. So the possible swing trade using the 10 MA will be here. Okay, a swing high above 2910 S&P. Okay, and a stop loss below here. Okay, this will be the stop loss over here. Ideally, you want the price to drop back lower, drop down lower. Okay, okay, and this line over here, this red line here to catch up. Then you have a setup here. Then this setup will be a better setup. Okay. Okay, but what we can tell for the market right now, the market is cooling down, which is good. Okay, the market is cooling down. Hopefully, it can cool down a bit more, then it will be even better. But if there isn't isn't that, you want to do a swing trade using a 10 MA and CCI, then it will be a trigger here. Okay, so it will be a trigger above this price. Okay, that will trigger above this price 2910 for a swing, the next swing high. Got it? And then you can put a stop loss. The stop loss will be so low, you can put a stop loss maybe at the resistance, the previous resistance here. There will be a stop loss. Got it? Okay, I assume you all understand, right? Let's look at the weekly charts. Okay, weekly charts, it's like that. Okay. If you are trading weekly, that means you are trading for the this one is trading for 5 days. 5 days. Okay, next 5 days you're trading for the next 5 days. If you are trading on the next 5 weeks, next 5 weeks, then the entry have not started yet. Okay, because you want to wait for the price to go back lower, 10 and 20 MA. Okay, sorry, 10 and 20 MA into this region over here. Okay, so right now have not yet. Okay, market is still for the next 1 month. Okay, market is still overbought. Okay, any question? No question. Okay, let me move on. Okay, so let's look at Nasdaq. All this should be the same. Okay, S&P 100 should be the same. Okay. Okay, so Nasdaq, we have reached the resistance. Okay. Yes or no? Okay, we have reached the resistance. Okay, the trend still strong. Okay, but they have not pulled back. Okay, so Nasdaq, I will prefer it to go back down a bit more. Okay, yeah, coming back here, S&P, right? S&P index, right? Sorry, this S&P index, right? Okay, we are still not at the resistance yet. Okay, not resistance yet. Okay, very close. Okay, but Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq 100, we are at the resistance already. Okay, we are at the resistance right now. At this point in Nasdaq, whether it's daily swing, whether it's weekly swing, I will not do the swing. Okay, because daily swing is still, daily chart is still overbought, oversold, overbought. Weekly chart is still overbought. So for Nasdaq, I will not do any trade. Okay, for Nasdaq. Clear? Hang Seng, this Hang Seng chart. Okay, we mentioned that let's go to weekly first. Okay, weekly charts. Weekly charts is starting to pull back. Okay, this is the previous resistance zone we talked about. Okay, ideally you wanted the price to come back down a bit more. Okay, into this area here. Okay, into this area here. That will be ideally. Okay, for Hong Kong market, you want the price to pull back on the weekly charts. Any question? Oh, sorry, on the daily charts. For the weekly charts, also the same thing. You want the price to also pull back into this area here. Both waiting for pullback. So look at S&P, look at Nasdaq and Hang Seng. S&P daily chart is the possible swing only. Okay, and must trigger some more. Okay, the rest, okay, Nasdaq or Hang Seng weekly chart, daily chart, I think not yet. Okay, not yet. Okay, you want to wait for it to pull back into my MA. Okay. Okay, either 10 MA or 20 MA. So right now it isn't near the 10 MA or the 20 MA. So for this short one, okay, there is a swing here. See, can you see here? Price pulled down to 10 MA, then there was a swing up. Okay, there was a swing up, and then after that, right now it overbought again already. Okay, so right now they're waiting for the price to swing down again. Okay, so this is a time when you touch the MA and CCI low. So your trigger will be here. Okay. Last, let's look at STI. Okay, there's a little bit of repeat, right? Okay, for the chart. So I'll move on quickly, right? Only for S&P daily chart, let's now spend a bit of more time. Okay. Weekly charts also overbought. Okay. Price is far from MA. Okay, you all see that? Okay, price is far from MA. Ideally, you want the price to pull back down. Okay, the time 1 month ago we talked about this price pulling back down, which gives us a long signal. I think it was here. Okay, now you swing already. If you're weekly, swing long. Okay, now it's week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Okay, you're looking for it to take profit. Okay, waiting for 2 more weeks for the swing weekly to take profits. Okay, today is week 4 and week 5. Okay. Any question? Daily charts also overbought. Okay, also overbought. Right now, there isn't a good pullback. Okay, ideally you want the price to pull back into maybe this part. Okay, CCI go back low to here, then for a swing up here. Okay, right now don't have. Okay. So I've gone through all the index. You have any question of all the index? Okay, bigger Tima trade the A50, right? So A50, I need to go trading view. Okay. Market is overbought, but compared to last week, it's slightly less overbought already. You notice that? Oh, you notice that? Okay. Doesn't mean an entry already, but compared to last week, right? This week is a bit less overbought. Okay. Still haven't go into this oversold yet, but it's slowly creeping down. Okay, CCI, you can see this one, CCI was down here. Can you see that? Previous CCI was down here. Okay, then there was a swing up. Okay, there was a swing up, and right now, waiting for it to swing down again. Okay, so it's in the process of swinging down. Okay, it's a process of swinging down right now. Okay, still have not swing down yet. Okay, not finished yet. Okay, one question. Question is, can we use a 10 MA? Yes, you can use a 10 MA. Okay, but right now price has not pulled into the 10 MA yet. CCI is also not low yet. Correct or not? Okay, the price has not pulled into 10 MA yet. Okay, even here it put into 10 MA, but the CCI is not low. Okay, the previous swing was here, right? Can you see this swing up? So right now, maybe another 3-4 days. Okay, for it to pull back down. Okay. Okay. Europe market. Okay, let's look at Europe market. Which index do you want to see? Euro 50. So Euro market is strong, okay, but it's nice trending. Okay, on daily chart, it's nice trending. Okay, you can see how it can you see here, Picatima? How it is pulling back into 10 MA. CCI must low first. Can you see here? CCI must go low first. Oh. Can see that? Okay. Then after go low already, then swing up. Yes or no? Oh, okay. So Euro market is now up, okay, but it's overbought. Okay, price is far from MA. Okay, so not good entry right now. Okay, I think on weekly chart also say not good entry right now. Okay. Any question? For index, any other question? If not, we go into the individual stocks. Okay, let's look at some stocks. Okay, let me do a screen first. If I may, I can look for some stocks. Okay, maybe you look at, instead of change a bit of flavor, look at Hong Kong stocks instead. Okay, because I think 2 weeks ago, is it maybe 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, we actually look at Hong Kong stocks. Okay, because for Nasdaq, I think it's a bit more overbought right now. Okay, so Hong Kong may be better. Okay, but Hong Kong treacherous. Okay, there's a lot of funny candles. Okay, but this is a fifth arrow. This is one. First valid arrow. This is second one. Okay, this is second valid arrow. So right now only first valid arrow yet. Okay, so the rest is not yet. Okay. This is for 1255. Okay, 1255. Let's look for nice arrow number 1 or 2 arrow. See whether I can find. This one not bad. Okay. pennies, consider penny, 350 Hong Kong dollars, 350 Hong Kong dollars. Okay, but you can see for this one, 01571. Okay, can you all see that? All price come down, strong downtrend, okay, then low trend, then start to go uptrend. Can you see here? And see now, guys, okay, 01571. Okay, Sean, if you can see, you can track this stock now. I think it's not bad. Okay, it's forming a W shape. Okay, it's forming a W shape over here. Okay, it's like this rounding bowl. Okay, and then there is a resistance here that was cleared already. This resistance here was cleared already. Okay, so not bad. Sean, are you here? Oh, okay, thanks, Sean. Okay, please thank Sean for helping us to summarize every week. Okay, helpful, right? The summary. Okay. Any other question? No. Don't go do down, okay? The rest I think has run already. Please go and do some homework. Okay, this is already up already. Actually, Hong Kong, if you go and find, it's treacherous, but is there are stock to trade. This one is overlapping, so not suitable. Okay, so only got one so far. Okay, I hesitate to go STI lah. Let's look at STI. Wow, so many. How come? Okay. STI got quite a lot. Very long never count STI already. Okay. Hourglass 11 signal. Okay. Okay. But STI maybe don't trade because the cost is very high. Okay. OCBC, one signal. Very overlapping also. Not suitable. Okay. Never mind. It's not so suitable. So I think don't trade. Okay. Yang Zhejiang. Ryan, you asked Yang Zhejiang before, right? I think you're in the position already, right? Yeah, see, I remember, right? Okay, so first signal, second signal, third signal, nothing lah. Okay, just hang on. Okay. Okay, let's look at your individual stocks, please. One, five, three. Just hang on. Okay, nothing much to do. Okay, so right now, if it go up again, then this line will go up. Okay, so right now, nothing much to do. Okay. Individual stocks. Let's look at three. Okay. CLR. One arrow. Nothing much. Okay, so it's just one arrow here and nothing much. Next one, USO. USO, yes, there's a signal over here. First arrow, second arrow. Okay, also heading up. Okay, the rest don't have. Okay, weekly chart, nothing much. Okay. MRVL. Daily charts. Wow. You entered here, is it? I think so, right? Wow, partner. It's up how much percent already? From here to here. 18%, 20%. Actually, still can hold lah because you're doing trader GPS, right? Correct or not? You're trading trader GPS, then hang on lah. Okay, if you want to trade, then you can trade lah. Wait for it to go up, come back down, then do a swing trade if you want. But if not, then no need lah. If you don't want to use swing trade, then use trader GPS lah. Okay, if you want to do swing trade, then you can swing, but don't get out everything lah. Okay, got it? Okay, this is not bad 18%. Okay, testimony please. VRSN. VRSN daily swing. Okay, not bad. Okay, this is a recent high. Pullback, CCI low. Okay, the MA is of course not as strong as previously. Here MA is slope. The slope up is lesser. Okay, but still not bad. Okay. Wait for setup lah. Okay, setup will be, trigger will be here. Stop loss can be below. Okay. XLV. Okay. XLV. XLV is down lah. Okay. So swing sell must wait lah. Okay, wait for it to go back up. Okay, go back up. Okay, so swing sell, wait. Okay, PDD. We covered this stock before, right? Okay. PDD is swing what? Sell also, is it? Swing sell, yeah. Wait for swing sell lah. Okay, so right now in the setup ready. Okay, wait for swing sell now. Okay, so trigger will be here. Okay, stop loss will be on top. Okay. Okay, swing sell will be on top. Okay, so not yet. Okay, so wait for it to come back down, then you can trade this PDD. Okay, A50, you can trade the A50 stocks. The A50 is just the index. Okay, you can trade the index. Okay, last one, CMG. CMG. Okay, CMG also not bad. Okay, CMG also not bad. Price come back down already. Waiting for trigger. In fact, it's triggered already. Okay, maybe you can still enter. Okay, then look for the swing up this way. Okay. Okay, swing trade need to do a bit more homework, right? Race, so you do a bit more homework for swing trade. It means the selection of stocks become more important. Okay, it means not every stock is so good. Okay, so you need to really select. Okay, use the things we talk about. Okay, whether it's recent high, whether it's things like that. Okay, whether it's not parabolic already and things like that. Okay. Any other question? Any other stocks? Adobe. Adobe actually not so good. Okay, you see the MA. You see this high is lower than this high. Yes or no? Oh, so this high is a recent high. So plus on top of that, the MA is already close to one another already. So not so good. Oh. Choose a stock that is just now like the one Grace mentioned. The one I think is better. Okay, nice uptrend. Okay, Apple Corp. Apple Corp got a swing trade here, but right now it's overbought. Okay, so we need to wait for it to pull back down again. Okay, pull back down to maybe 650 or maybe 660. Okay, that will be a good area to get in. Okay, 660 will be a good area. Right now, still not yet. Okay, PayPal. PayPal also not bad. Okay, I like this kind of like nice trending up stocks. Okay, of course you want the price to pull back a bit more. Okay, because then it's okay because the tail right is tell us that this part is buying pressure. Okay, baseline buying pressure. Of course, it may not trigger the next day. That means the next day it may have something like a smaller candle like that. Okay, or like that. Then you can actually do a trade. You can actually enter here, put stop loss here, something like that. Because right now, open high, go all the way down, close here. So you may not be immediately go and clear this high the next candle. It may be still settling down here. Then you look out for the setup. But this is a nice setup. Okay, PayPal. I don't like the company, but the stock not bad. Okay. I don't like companies and I don't like do business with PayPal. Okay. ATVI. ATVI. Well, you're doing a lot of swing trade on this day chart, right? This one not so good. Okay. ABTI. Why? Because there's a high here, there's a high here, there's a higher high here. So this swing is actually not the highest. So not so nice setup. Okay. If you zoom out, it's more like a sideways trend. So Thomas not so good for sideways trend. Okay. Last one or two. Wilma. Wilma is a overlapping candle stock. Okay. So price right now, are you going to swing trade or are you going to position trade? I believe swing trade, right? So right now, this is a bearish candle, open high, close low on this up, and then wait for it to pull back down. Okay, not yet. Okay, there's a previous here. Okay, it pulled back a bit only. Okay, but it's still overbought. Okay, so not the time yet. Okay, so trade right, you have to wait for stocks to have nice setup. Okay, nice setup. If you don't have nice setup, then better not trade. Okay? Any question? Any other question? Okay, if not, then thank you very much. Okay, let's call it a day for today. Thank you very much. Have a good week ahead. Announcement. Let's see whether got an announcement. Tomorrow there is a quarterly meeting. Last week we have one, right? Okay, for those that missed last week quarterly meeting, this week we have one more quarterly meeting. Okay, so right now we have, don't know why we have two quarterly meetings. Okay, but you used to have only one every quarter. But right now we have quarterly meeting. Last week we had one, wow, full house. Last week was on Tuesday. Okay, last week was on Tuesday. So tomorrow there's another quarterly meeting. We'll be covering swing trade tomorrow. Okay, more distinction of swing trade. So come and if you can make it, come and visit us at Trading Place. That is the only thing, and then I'll be away already. Okay. The venue is the same, right? The venue is at venue. I'm not sure. Okay, hang on. Quarterly meeting venue is, I think, at Trading Place. Should be. Okay. I'll let you know later. Okay, if not, then thank you very much. Okay, see you all next week. Okay, bye.